Good morning, dear students. Going to begin with a recap of what we have studied in computer network. As I have written, computer network is a system of interconnected computers. Why it's needed? The need to share the resources, to share the private data with each other, to share the views, to share the ideas. The advantages, information can easily be shared. It helps in sharing resources, it helps in staying updated. Interaction among people around the world become easy with the help of computer networks. And we have even discussed the type of computer network. There are, as we have already discussed about LAN, that is local area network. Within a same building we are going to connect computers. Then we are having MAN, that is metropolitan area network. Within the metropolitan cities or across cities only, we are going to connect with MAN, and WAN, wide area network, across the countries. As I told you, two are still left. First is PAN, that is personal area network. You are sitting at home right now. You and your brother is going to have a connectivity with a network. That network comes under the category of personal area network, in which other people of the society cannot interfere. Coming to the last is campus. Campus and LAN actually are similar, because within the same building, within the college building, within a single campus, we are going to share the network is known as campus area network or local area network. This is the recap of what we have discussed in the previous session of networking, and today I am going to begin with a concept of topology. Topology is a way to connect the computers. Means topology is a way how the computers are connected with each other. It can be wired and non-wired, as told you earlier, but today we are going to discuss about the wired technology in which the computers are connected to each other. So let me begin with writing the topology on the board. So in this session we are going to discuss about topology. Topology is the arrangement of various elements joined together in computers network. There are basically 5 kinds of topologies, that is star, bus, complete, ring and hybrid. We are going to discuss all these topologies one by one. I am going to draw figure on the board, and the figure is already drawn in the notebooks of yours. You can refer that also, but I am going to draw it on the board. Wait a second. So, this is the first topology known as star topology. It has taken the shape of a star over here. In this topology, this is a host computer. This is known as server as well. S-E-R-V-E-R. This is known as server as well. And L1, L2, L4 and L3 are the clients over here, which are going to join this host for request and respond. Remember, client and in server technology, host is going to respond to the client's request. Means L1 is a client and this server, this host is a server. L1 is going to request to this server for something, some query or so, for which this server is going to respond to the client. It can be L1, L2, L3 or L4, and this is a shape of star. So in the books also it is mentioned the advantages of this topology. Again, topology is a way to connect the computers together. All these are connected with the help of wire. As you can see, it is connected to the server separately. So any fault can be easily detected in the thing. तो advantages हैं, सबसे पहले in case any of the node is going to stop working, any of the client stop working, we can easily find out which node is not working and what is the fault. So transmission is not delayed between these two terminals. But the disadvantage is that कि if the host fails, then rest of the systems may not work properly. So it is going to stop there. So this is how this topology, that is this is star topology, is going to work properly. Now, coming to another topology, that is known as ring topology. As you can see, it is in a circular form. And you can see the arrows over here. It is moving in single direction. All the messages, all the traffic route is going to be in a single direction. That forms a ring. So here L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. So this is how computers are connected together. In case in your lab you are having total 40 computers, so it is forming a ring type of situation over here. So the advantages of this ring topology is the direction flows in a one direction only. So होता क्या है, जब एक ही डायरेक्शन फ्लो होता है तो टर्मिनल 5 या क्लाइंट 5 या नोड 5 के पास सबसे डिलेड ट्रांसमिशन पहुंचता है इस केस में. So hence this network topology is also fails in finding the fault. होता क्या है, अगर L4 किसी रीजन से काम नहीं कर रहा है तो we have to check L1, L2, L3 to find the fault of L4. Wait for the other topology. Now the next topology is complete. Next topology is complete, or this is known as mesh topology. Mesh means all the nodes are connected to each other like this. It is forming a situation of net where each and every node is connected to every other single node. So you can see the drawback of this thing, that finding fault in this mesh topology is really difficult. Although it is the fastest way to transmission the data between 2 or 3 nodes, but it is very difficult to finding the fault in the nodes if any of the nodes stops working. Next kind of topology I am having on the board is bus topology. Bus topology can be called multi-point topology. See, here we are having server, we are having nodes L1, L2, L3, L4, and this is a connector which can anytime be extended to more of the nodes to be attached. No drawbacks of this topology is there. It can be extended anytime, but again, if this line fails, the whole networks get down. Lastly, we are having a topology known as hybrid. This is the last topology, that is hybrid topology. This can be formed by the combination of two topologies, that can be ring and complete topology. Ring and mesh are going to together join to form a hybrid topology. Excuse me. So that's the end of this computer network chapter explanation part, where we have discussed variety kinds of topology. Topology can be added according to the choice of office place, school building, school premises, and the choice of user. which kind of topology she want to opt for their systems to appear there. All the diagrams of topologies are there in the book. Kindly go through it. So that's it with the end of this session. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. If you are having any queries regarding this video, do text me, WhatsApp.